What's going on, guys? So I am out here at Alliance, actually at the Elkhart Dealer Show. This is the open house. This is where dealers come to pick out their inventory. So check out this full body paint Paradigm. That's absolutely gorgeous. And then check out this full body paint Avenue. That's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is super cool. Now, both of these are locked up, and this is just kind of an example. These are floor plans that they've already had, so we're not really talking about anything new here, but we're gonna show you some new floor plans on the inside and what they've been up to, because there's a lot of really cool stuff going on over here at Alliance. And man, I love that full body paint. They did a great job. I love this edgier look versus the swoops that you see on a lot of RVs. But what do you guys think? That is drop dead gorgeous. Anyways, guys, hang tight. We'll be right back. We're going to take a look at a super cool toy hauler with an absolutely insanely large garage. And it's actually that one over there. So what you're looking at in front of me is arguably one of my favorite toy hauler floor plans. I'm going to walk through it. I'm going to explain the differences between this one and that one. Okay, so I believe both of these are probably going to have the same GVWR of 20,000 pounds, and typically you're going to have about 4,500 pounds worth of cargo capacity, but we're not really here to talk about that. We're here to talk about the floor plan. Okay, we're going to step inside of the 44 V14 first. So this is one of my favorite toy hauler floor plans. I love what they've done here. Kitchen is kind of small, I get it, but when you're trying to manage space and still give you a large garage, a 14-foot garage, that's kind of one of the things you're trying to compromise in the right way. But I love what they've done here with the dinette in the living room. Just check this out. A huge sectional here. Everything points at the TV. This, to me, is a win-win for a toy hauler. They did a phenomenal job with this. I really like what they've done here. But the compromise is that some people need more than a 14-foot garage. So you get a 14-foot garage in this specific Alliance Valor. Good sized garage. You even get a half bathroom in here. So again, really nice. But if you're looking for a larger garage because you have toys that need a larger garage, well, then you're going to have to look at something like the 41V16. So the 41V16 is this one, and this one's what we're really here to talk about. So this specific floor plan, from a living room perspective, isn't my favorite, but you may really like it. It's still super, super, super long, huge toy hauler, but they give you a 16-foot garage in here. And to get those 2 extra feet, let's take a look at the interior. Again, this is the 41V16. So you can see that it's entirely different than the 44V14, right? You don't have the same type of kitchen. That said, though, the kitchen in this one is arguably bigger. It's a better kitchen. You got more space. You got more separation. You got this really cool bar area here. You can plug your coffee maker in. You got a really, really nice island right here. You have the same drop-in stove, really nice insignia. Actually, this is the Greystone drop-in stove. Prep space on each side. You got your Greystone microwave. This is really nice, and you even have some countertop space here, as well as pantry storage above and below. But the sofa, and I think I've brought this up in a lot of videos with toy haulers, I'm not a fan of this sofa design. 4 seats side by side, just because if you do have a family of 4 and everyone's kind of sitting here, they're all sitting next to each other and not really facing each other. So that's the reason why I'm not a huge fan of this type of floor plan. Even though the reason why this floor plan exists is to give you what's back here. And I do like the fact that the seats point at the TV, so you can watch TV. Now, if you're sitting here, you're going to be craning your neck a little bit, but it's still a reasonable compromise. Now, when you come back here, this is the part that's going to be magical to folks. The fact that you have a 16-foot garage in here. Absolutely huge. You still get your half bath. So in here, you still get your half bathroom. But you have an absolutely insanely huge garage inside of this back area. You still get your Happy Jack mattress up there. You still get your 2 beds and the seating area that can lower down. But let me go over here and I'll flip around so you can see also what I'm talking about. You just get an absolutely enormous garage space. So the question is it worth the sacrifice? Would you prefer a 14-foot garage but have a far more what I would consider to be livable living area inside of the toy hauler? Or would you prefer a 16-foot garage, and the 2 feet that it takes away from this space really makes you change how this space has to be laid out? But I still think that it's a nice space. The kitchen's beautiful. Again, you know, I really wish this space was a little bit different, but if you're a smaller family or a couple, I think this works out really well. I do like that this extends out right here. You can put some bar stools underneath it, which would also function and look really well. The colors inside are also really nice. You have a good size pantry space here with adjustable shelves, motion detection lighting. And again, that's just extra storage there. You got storage above the TV. You got more storage over here. You got a huge bank of windows right here to let a lot of natural light in. Coming up this way, you got a really nice bathroom in here. One-piece shower. It's an Encore shower. Undermount sink here. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Got your medicine cabinet back there. Coming into the bedroom, you still get your innovative storage under here. Nice closet. King-size bed. You get washer and dryer prep up here as well as in the garage, which is also really nice. So you get your choice of place where you want to put it. But what do you guys think? This is a pretty cool floor plan. Again, it really depends on what type of garage you're looking for. Now the question is, if they could have made the same kitchen but with a smaller sectional, would you prefer that they just take the 2 feet out and they give you a smaller sectional with that little wraparound style kitchen right here? If you love this floor plan, please let me know, because you know, as often as I make toy hauler videos and you see these long sofas like this, I always criticize them, and I personally say I don't care for them, but I'd also like to hear from you all. Do you have a toy hauler with this type of sofa? Do you prefer this type of sofa? If you do, why? What makes it special to you? So that's really cool. I do like the fact that they put the little end tables here, the little cup holders at the end. I think that's really innovative. It looks nice in here, though. I mean, I love the LED accent strip that goes across the top right there, as well as the accent strip over there. It's just super cool. And if this isn't the toy hauler you're looking for, they have an even larger bad boy over here with the side patio. They actually have the Valor here in a bumper pole. Super cool. And then they have this beast right here, which is the 42 V13, 13-foot garage, side patio. I know these are very, very popular. And this has a interesting layout. So you get the 3-seating sofa over here. You have your dinette right here. Your kitchen is this whole space back here. Love the space you have around the stove. That's really nice. And the garage area is 13 feet long. So you can't quite fit as much, but what is nice is that you have this space out here. So you have this side patio with the TV, sound system, LED light strip, nice covered area. And this is such a cool space. If you go to campgrounds that have the space for a toy hauler this large, and for you to be able to lower this out to the side without being too close to your neighbor. So what do you guys think? Super cool floor plans, huh? A lot of different floor plans to look at. The folks over at Alliance have definitely been keeping up with the trends, giving you, again, a bumper towable unit. This one, 16-foot garage, 14-foot garage, 13-foot garage. Just, you know, pretty much any type of toy hauler floor plan that you might be interested in. And they have another one, I believe, right over here as well. Let me make my way over to this. And this one is the 31A10. So this is going to be a smaller toy hauler with a 10-foot garage. And I guess I can walk through it real quick. So 10-foot garage. Interesting bedroom design. I've never seen that before. So you have the bed here, the bathroom here, and kind of a divider to take you towards one or the other. Wow, I have not seen this floor plan before. This is super innovative to keep the length down. And then in the kitchen, very nice. I love this. You know, for a smaller fifth wheel, this isn't as bad. So this is a 3-person, and it points over here. You have your pantry right there, your Furrion refrigerator. And then over here, you have your garage. And this is a smaller garage, 10-foot garage. Same patio around the back as well. But this is kind of cool. I actually like this floor plan. You still have your half bath right over here. And this may be what a lot of people are looking for if you're looking for a shorter toy hauler with a smaller garage. Now, what I would like to see is take the 10-foot garage, put it on the 44-foot long fifth wheel, and just make the living room area and the kitchen area absolutely amazing. That's what I would like to see. And then over here, we have the 36 V11. So you can see this also has the 4-person sofa, 11-foot garage, and it's pretty much the same floor plan as the second one we went through. Anyways, guys, what do you all think? What do you think from a toy hauler perspective? Do you like toy haulers with absolutely insanely large garages? Do you like shorter garages? Do you like the focus to be around the kitchen and the living room or the garage? Just let me know, because if you have a lot of big toys, then it's probably going to be more garage focused. But if you have a larger family, smaller toys, it's probably going to be more kitchen and living room focused. But I'd love to know. Guys, if you haven't had a chance, please take a moment, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you again very soon.